Let's make progressive techno. First let's set the tempo to somewhat around 126 BPM. First we need a punchy kick. And after 4 bars, some open hi-hats. And some closed hi-hats. After another 4 bars, let's add some claps. Now let's loop this part for another 16 bars, and add some rides. And some shakers. Let's make a simple bass line. I'll sidechain this using a limiter. Turn the sound to mono. And add some EQ to clear out the sound. I'll add a sublayer to this. I'll sidechain this. And add some EQ. Then some pads for atmosphere. I'll sidechain this. Add some stereo width. And some EQ. I'll add this airy synth. I'll just add this some EQ to take off the lows. Guys, in progressive techno there are a lot of opening and closing sounds, so I'll use the cutoff filter of this sound to create this kind of opening. Now we need the emotional and dreamy Arps. I'll sidechain this. Add some EQ to clear out the sound. And some stereo widening. I'll make a cutoff automation for this too. Guys, I'll use this bass sound to play a 16th note pattern on the root note. But I'll take the lows and mids off of this, so it sounds like a percussion. Let's add some exhausts to transition into the second half of the drop. And I'll add this synth. I'll add LFO2 to create a gating effect and automate the rate. Then I'll add some EQ. And some auto panning. Now the drop is done. Guys, progressive house doesn't follow the usual build-up, drop structure. The elements are slowly introduced with a break before the drop. So we'll start with the kick and the percussion, and the hi-hats, the bass and the gated synth after 8 bars. Then I'll add this noise melody. Let's use our exhausts to transition into the next part, and add the pads, the synth, and the Arps after 8 bars. Then I'll do another 16 bars of progression. And use our exhausts to transition into the break and build up. I'll keep the pads, the synth, the Arps and the noise. And create a new synth for the break. I'll create a cutoff automation to this leading up to the drop like this. Then I'll add the first note of a synth every 4 bars in the drop. Now we need some risers. And some downlifters. Finally, I'll create a simple outro section to the song using the drums and the arps. So guys, our track is now done. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and let's see our final result.